Welcome to the Proper Menubar tutorial series. In this video, we will show you how to access your bookmarks using the Proper Menubar extension in Chrome. It is quick and easy. Let us get started. When you navigate to Bookmarks and hover over the View Bookmarks menu item for the first time, a prompt will appear from your web browser requesting permission to access your bookmarks. This is a one-time step to ensure the extension can display your bookmarks. Simply click the Allow button to grant permission. Now, when you hover over View Bookmarks again, your bookmarks will appear instantly. With a single click, you can open any bookmark in a new tab. And that is it. You have successfully set up bookmarks in the Proper Menubar extension. We hope this feature makes browsing even more convenient for you. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials. See you next time.